Hello and welcome to a new CrocFIX video. If you have an unresponsive Samsung Galaxy Tab with a black screen, nothing is happening, then this video is for you. Donations are welcome and will support the channel. Thank you very much for that. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Your CrocFIX. So here we have a Samsung Galaxy Tab A. The correct number, model number is T580, so T580. The tablet didn't show anything special, the screen was not broken, it was just unresponsive. So a couple of times it did fall down, but it didn't break or anything. So yeah, I'm just curious what is happening here. At first we need to open it, so you can use here some small plastic tool. The back cover is really tight, so you have to work carefully and yeah, take your time, don't break anything. Once you open a small gap, then you just can go around with this tool and try slowly open step by step. Just look carefully. Okay, so there we go. We're almost done here. It's really tight, so really don't like to open this one. But we have to solve this problem. Okay. As you see, we are still working with masks, so COVID is still active. Okay, so this back cover is slowly coming apart from the middle frame. Okay, should be good now. Just here a little bit more. Carefully and don't push it too hard and don't break anything. Okay, so just one bit more. Okay, there we go. So the back cover is removed. So usually what I try first is we need to disconnect the battery because never work under voltage. Use some tools and be carefully, don't crack the cable. Okay, so the battery is disconnected, and now this here, this is a flex cable for the LCD screen. So the problem could be a bad connection here. Maybe the cable just went out, it was not tight enough, and because of that we don't have screen. We don't have a picture on the screen, I mean. So what you're going to do, we did disconnect this cable, we clean it a little bit. The best is you clean it maybe a little bit with alcohol, if you want, and then you just reseat it in the connector. Just be carefully, because this small plastic is kind of fragile, so just work really slowly, yeah? Okay, once the flex cable is inside the connector, just make it tight and good. Close the connector and then use some tape to fasten the flex cable on the battery. We will just stick this flex cable to be very solid, and it won't move later. So the connector, I mean the flex cable, won't come out again of the small connector there. Okay, so go with your fingers around and put it inside the connector very tight. Okay, and then you go with this small piece of tape and stick it on the bottom. And then again we use another piece of sticky tape and we stick it here on the top. So it won't be hard to have the same problem again. So the flex cable should be now really tight. So carefully close the connector here. Close this plastic. Okay. And we use one little sticky tape more here on the top of the connector. And we put back these small original Samsung tapes. Now we can connect the battery back again. Okay, let's connect. And now let's have a look what we have done. If we get a picture, then we are the winners. Yeah, and we have a picture. We are the champions. Great. So as you see, sometimes usually these Galaxy Tabs have only problems with these flex cables. So first check this before you order anything. Then take the back cover, reseat it, press it together, and that's it. If it did work for you, leave a comment. Okay, just press it together, and that's it. We have a picture. Yeah! Okay, thanks for watching, guys. If the video did help you, leave a comment. And if you want to leave a donation, because we saved you some stress, we will appreciate it. The link is in the video description. So thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Your CrocFIX.